What's up today, guys? Welcome back to DK Customs Trucks, I should add. And Scott's got new tires on his truck. Oops. So let's get this thing to not be blurry. Come on. Come on. There it goes. That's a good picture. Wait, hey. Good picture. Alright, so let's get this gate open because he's gonna go whip around a little bit. And who knows, maybe I'll get my truck out here. Oh yeah. Take a look at these tires real quick. These are his new tires he got. Oh yeah. Brand new. You ready to have some fun? Yeah. Alright, Marley, look out. Marley! You stay here, girl. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm gonna see if he'll let me get my truck out here and do a little bit. Fucking using it as it's supposed to be used. Look at that. Verdict is?
Better than the other truck.
You care if I do it?
Not in mine.
No, not in yours.
I don't care. Go get yours.
All right. Well, hell,
and
you gonna record a little bit?
We'll pause it and then we'll go get. Then we'll get a picture of both trucks.
All right, guys. So,
hey, I'm just gonna put mine over.
So your verdict is good?
I don't know. What's your verdict? I already answered mine.
Looked good.
Definitely
Looked good.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Here
So-
turns these tires no problem.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go get my truck now. It's got bald tires, but we're gonna give this a shot because, well, videos and views. So this one's probably gonna be like posted Crazy Rednecks, doing donuts in field or something like that. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So we got Demon out here now, and we're gonna give this thing a rip in the field. And Scott's gonna video it for me. So let's get started. All right, here you go, Scott.
Stay here, girl. Stay here. Do they?
Or not too much, not enough.
Oh, I was gonna say you start looking like my Ford, kind of just slagging along, huh?
Yeah, here, I'll try to get it to whip one more time. That's about it.
Hey, it sounds good.
Does it?
Oh yeah, it sounds different.
Sweet. All right, hey, I'm gonna try it one more time.
All right. Hey, remember to put your windows up. important fact you guys might know from the last video on last year.
Yeah,
at least he was smart enough to keep his windows up this time.
Yeah,
and it's nice and clean inside too.
Not really.
Well, I mean, there ain't no snow in there. It's still typical.
Alright guys, so we're back in from doing that, and this is the aftermath of Scott's truck. My truck really didn't get a whole lot because, well, it's not got big beefy tires on it like it did at one point. And they weren't exactly beefy either, so yeah, this is the aftermath of it. Nothing too spectacular, it's just covered in snow, but I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an overview of how his truck looked. He said it did really good. So, yeah, this is what it looks like now after all the snow. So, yeah. This was just kind of a goofy video just to make it get another video up on the channel. I figured, it's snowy out. It's not going to do too much harm to a field. It's frozen. There's snow out there, so... And we're not going to be tearing up tires or fields or anything like that. So I was like, well, what harm could it do from just going and doing some donuts in a truck? So I think I'm going to shut the video off from here. If you guys did like this video and you guys are new, like it, comment, and subscribe for more videos like the one that we did today with Scott's truck, my truck. I was thinking about bringing my four-wheeler out and doing it too, but it's too cold out there to want to do that with any four-wheelers or anything, especially with no gloves on and just a mild hoodie like I have on. So, yeah, I guess we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.